The third Thursday Thrift Flip is hosted by the Russet Willow and Rustic Chicks Design, and it is co-hosted by Z9 Designs, me. They are so nice and have amazing channels that you will want to check out. In addition, they are willing to support you in your journey. I am just excited to be part of this group and asked to co-host. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. The link to their channels is listed in the description box below. In addition, other collaborators want you to see what they've made, so be sure to like, save, comment, and subscribe to their channels. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. So let's get flipping. DIY number 1 is a mirror to tray. The supplies needed include an old broken mirror, which I had for quite some time, 2 gold woven geometric removal wallpaper pieces, E6000, hot glue, cardboard or a wooden circle, and some handles. I had this broken mirror for several years and was considering on tossing or giving it away. However, when I started my YouTube channel a couple of years ago, I decided to keep it, and I am so glad that I did. I removed and tossed the broken mirror and removed the bottom part, which held the mirror in place. I cleaned up the plastic with soap and water, and now it was time to spiff it up. I had some gold and white woven geometric removable wallpaper from Dollar Tree and began to lay it on the cardboard. The paper matched on both sides of the cardboard to my satisfaction, and I only used 2 sheets of paper. And the reason why I had to use 2 sheets is because it had to be matched up. E6000 was used to adhere the handles to both sides of the tray to dry. So what I had to do is I had to put the handle on one side, make sure it was good and dry, and then the next day, I flipped it over to the other side and put the other handle on and let it dry. And after 24 hours of drying time, the tray was good to use. And it can be styled in various ways. And I think the look is beautiful from flip to first rate. So let me know what you think. DIY number 2, a candlestick side table. Supplies needed include 1 tall candlestick, and this one happens to be 27 inches in height. A pizza pan, which is 13 inch, I'm saying it's 13 inch, but it's approximately 12 5/8. E6000, gold metallic spray paint, and acrylic paint in plaster, and a top-notch laser stencil. And I think I got this from Joann's. A person was trying to get rid of some things before moving and the estate sale. I was given a 27-inch candlestick. I saw many things that I could use, but I could not take them with me. However, I took some tall candlesticks, and at the time, I didn't have a plan except to use them for burning candles. Originally, I think it was last year sometime, I painted them black and used it as a lone candle holder. However, I wanted to make it better because I wasn't satisfied with the way it looked. This time, I gave it 2 coats of acrylic paint in the color plaster. Meanwhile, I sprayed the pizza pan gold and stencil a round lace motif in the center. Next, I use E6000 to adhere the top of the candlestick to the pizza pan. This is very easy and very impactful. You can pull it close to your sofa and put your drinks or books on top, maybe some flowers, and enjoy. DIY number 3, a necklace holder. The supplies needed include a board from Dollar Tree, and it had carrot patch on the front, a handsaw, a hand sander, black acrylic paint, 2 different types of molds, glue gun and glue sticks, gold spray paint, 2 tumbling tower blocks, and a handmade necklace from Cartarche Textile Studio. This was previously an Easter-themed DIY. Silly rabbit, Easter is for Jesus. There are 2 openings where the jute held up the plaque. However, what I did is I flipped it over on the other side, and I used those 2 openings to my advantage. But the other side had some glitter on it. What I had to do was use my hand sander and scrub away the glitter. Then I began painting. I changed my mind on the color of this a few times, so you can see a bit of the process. I thought I would like it two-tone in maybe a green and terracotta color. But it just wasn't looking really good to me, and I'm not sure why. Maybe I needed something solid that did not have any writing on it whatsoever. But I tell you, this one has plenty of paint on it. In the meantime, I painted it black. And once it was dry, I thought about what I could do to jazz it up to make it look pleasing to the eye. I had some molds and I used hot glue to fill them up, and when they were dry, I removed them. However, they were white like the glue. Then I took some gold spray paint and made them all gold. Wood glue was used to adhere them to the board, and I hung the necklace that my cousin made as a gift to me. This looks so good and a little vintage to me, but it also can look modern. I love the way it looks. Well, that is all, Z9 Designs family. I appreciate all of my subscribers. I now have over 900 and will be drawing a name in the next week for the prize. So keep watching. Please subscribe and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Also, give me a thumbs up, save, and comment. And remember, love does not dominate, it cultivates. This is by Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. See you later. Bye-bye.